This is MFR Off-Road Rider back with another video. I'm down on the river bar today doing some off-roading, checking out the retrofit of the historical fern bridge. They're kind of retrofitting all the support posts of the bridge, beefing them up and filling in all the cracks and stuff like that. Try to make it a little more sturdy, I guess, because of the earthquakes and stuff like that. They felt the need to do that to keep the bridge open. But yeah, I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Give me thumbs ups, all the positive comments, much appreciated. Looks like I got some company down here. I got a four-wheeler and a dirt bike. But anyway, this will be my 328th video, and I'm up to 960 subscribers, which is awesome. Much appreciate all the support of my channel. I'll keep making videos as long as people keep watching them, and it gets me out riding. Alright, let's go see if we can find a place to cross. I would like to cross over to the racetracks, but I don't know if it's shallow enough because we've gotten some rain lately, and yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get across here, or I'll have to go down to the Van Dusen. But anyway, let's get going and see if we can get across. Looks like this is kind of packed down pretty good because it's really soft up near the edge of the water. I was digging in quite a bit, but if there's any Honda Transalp fans, good news, they're coming out with the Transalp in the US this month. So yeah, I'm kind of curious to see some reviews and about it. I've kind of heard and seen some mixed reviews on the UK, you know, in Europe and stuff, where they already got it and everything, and I think it'll be a good bike, but maybe just not as off-road capable as could be. But like I said, I think I said before that they don't want it to compete with the Africa Twin, so they didn't make it as off-road capable. So, but it is what it is. It looks like a nice bike, and yeah, decent price. So, oh boy, there's some big old ruts. I don't even know if I can get across or not. No idea. I know I can't across the Van Dusen, but I don't know about here. Gotta stay away from the edge of the water because it's so soft. Sink in, try to stay in the, oh wait, maybe here, I don't know. It looks pretty shallow right here. Kinda. Oh, that's quite a ways to go across though, and it looks kind of deep right there, and definitely not getting across over there. So you get out to that island, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm not going to try this because it's really deep over there and swift. And the bad thing is, this time of year there's just so much moss on the rocks, so it's really slick. Even if it's shallow, you sometimes can lose your grip because it's just so slick from all the moss. Whoa. Let's go down a little farther and see if we can find a better place. Maybe make my own trail through here. Looks pretty wide too. I don't know. It's hard to say. Hard to say if we're gonna be able to get across. If you had a four-wheel drive, you could, but I don't. I mean, I do, but I'm not on it right now. Oh boy. It's getting kind of sketchy right here. I gotta get back to the road. Yeah, I'm on the Honda 2021 Honda CRF 300L Rally. Got 3,887 miles. Salute. Anyway, enjoying it still. Yeah, it just keeps, takes a licking and keeps on ticking. It'll do everything. It's done everything I've asked it to do with flying colors, so can't believe everything you hear on the internet. They said right when this first came out that it wasn't a great off-road bike per se, but like I said, it's good as off-road as it is on-road. So try to keep on these packed down roads here. Looks like somebody's been coming on this quite a bit. It's pretty nice, packed down and everything. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get across here. Don't look like it. I was hoping to get across to the old racetracks over on the Ferndale side over there. There's a lot of trails over there. I mean, there's a few trails here, but I gotta stop and make sure I'm still filming here. Yep, still filming. All right. But yeah, I mean, there's just like tons of trails over there. And actually there's two different like tracks. One's called the sand track and the other one's called the regular motocross kind of track. The sand track's more for like four-wheelers and fat tired bikes and stuff like that, because it's pretty silty soft. Well, last year I think it was really shallow right across here, but not now. I mean, it might have been before we got that last rain, but we got about an inch and a quarter on Monday, I think it was, and then we got another 5/10 or something, or a little bit more than that, I guess. But yeah, it's just, I gotta get over on this other trail because I gotta go up this hill. I don't run into any other bikes. Alright, I'm going to shut this video off and maybe try to go down to Van Dusen and see if I can get across down there. I haven't been down there in a while, and they've been still hauling gravel off of it. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm back. Made it down almost to the mouth of Van Dusen. There's a lot more water flowing. Last time I was down here it was completely dry all the way back up almost to the bridge, but yeah, definitely a little bit of rain makes a big difference, and I'm gonna attempt to cross right down here. It doesn't look that deep, but it's flowing pretty swiftly. So yeah, let's go do a little water crossing here. Got to line up where it looks the best, as long as there's no big rocks. Point of no return. Here we go. Not a problem. I just don't do a lot of water crossings, so they're a little sketchy, and it's kind of, sometimes it's hard to see how deep the water is, and then of course how much moss, and then you got to take in consideration the current as well, how strong that is. But that was pretty successful there. I definitely chose the right line. That's the key, and keep your momentum up. I could have stood up, but didn't really need to. It wasn't that, you know, didn't look that sketchy. This does though. Wow, look at this. This is the actual mouth of the Van Dusen right here. Look at that flow. Got some good flow there. It's kind of deep right there too. It's not very wide, but it's definitely deep and flowing pretty good. Well, they changed the whole dynamics of the river. Like, it looked like it used to go out over that way, but now it's redirected, and there's a bridge right over there, but there's no way to get across right now. So it looks like I don't get to go over to the racetracks, but we can go check out the other side of the bridge. They've been hauling gravel off the other side of the bridge now. So more recently than here, they're done over on this side. Now they're just hauling off on the other side of the bridge. Sure is nice having a river bar you can ride on close to your house. Do some off-road and work on your off-road skills and stuff. Here we go, back across the water. Can't really see the bottom. Just as successful. 2 in a row. Oh boy, here we go. Into the road here. Oh boy. And that looks pretty soft because they flattened it all out. So I'll have to go back on the other road that I came in on. Super soft. Not as much gravel, a lot of silt. Definitely got some ruts. It's a lot of fun, and this is what this bike is made for. Whoa, it's almost a jump right there. Yeah, if we get this amount of rain that they're talking about, I probably won't even be able to cross. After the next rain, it's probably gonna be up even higher. Probably won't be able to make that river crossing that I just did. It doesn't look like a river right now because it's so low, but it's actually the Van Dusen River, so. And they were taking some gravel. They had a bridge right across here, and they were getting gravel off of that side, but they took the bridge out already, and now the water's pretty high there. You can't get across now. they're only allowed so much, taking up so much gravel out of certain areas. They're kind of restricted on how much gravel and where. They have to survey. They have to go out and survey before they can start removing gravel and stuff, and they gotta flag it and take only so much out of each area and so far down. There's no reefer. Looks like a customer truck reefer. You know, somebody's down looking for rocks. See how much this has changed since I was here last. Still a mud puddle. It's probably deeper than it was because they've had equipment going through it. Those big dump trucks haul all the gravel to the gravel pile. Let's see what this looks like now. It looks pretty much the same, kinda. Whoa. Go find out where they're taking gravel from over here. Just follow the tracks, I guess. It looks like they were doing something over there. How about here? Nope, dead end. Dead ender. Whoop, neutral. There's just a little wash right here. Oh boy. There's some tracks, so let's go out and check it out. Maybe it's packed down. Last time I was out here, about got stuck I don't know how many times because it's so freaking soft. Oh, it's gonna dead end right here. Huh, wonder where they're taking the gravel from. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I think I made it long enough. I've been trying to keep it down on the amount of time because it seems like I get a few more views. Let me know in the comments below if you like long or short, or about what attention span that you are willing to take the time to watch my videos. But yeah, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell for the release of my next video, which is on Saturdays or Sundays. And I just want to thank again all my subscribers and viewers and all the support of my channel. Much appreciated. This is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.